Meaning of indomitable.
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 Indomitable. Indomitable is an adjective that describes an individual or force that is impossible to subdue or defeat, regardless of external opposition or adversity. It suggests a strong will, determination, and resilience in the face of challenges. An indomitable person is someone who refuses to give up, and possesses an unbreakable spirit and unwavering courage. Their unyielding nature can inspire others to push past their own limitations, and to strive towards their goals with renewed focus and dedication. Overall, being indomitable means possessing an unbeatable strength of character that cannot be shaken by external circumstances.